Okay, so Jason's visiting here from England, and he has his Jacdac KittenBot 2 kit, and we have 4 motors connected. Go ahead and start, Jason. We've got all of these motors working as he controls them. Now, can you center that screen and enlarge it even more, or do they go off screen? Pretty well. So this is a very cheap used laptop touchscreen. We've got 4 motors, 2 continuous and 2 positional servos, and they're all connected. We've got 2 motor drivers that come with Kit B. We've got 2 power boards that come with Kit B using 3.7 volt batteries. We've got 1 jack adapter with a version 2 microbit, and he's able to control 4 motors with touchscreen.
No coding.
No coding included. We do have the version 2 microbit, the KittenBot jack adapter, which is Kit 1 or can be bought separately, and then Kit 2 motors, and these are the Lego Technic form factor motors. We can use any other servo type motor with 3 wires. There will be more.